What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Neewer 176 light. So I recently purchased a new light because the light of my cell phone is not efficient. So I picked up this Neewer LED 176 light for the cameras with some batteries. Now it comes with two filters, a white frosted filter and an amber filter. Now this does not come with any batteries, so make sure you purchase your batteries. I bought it in a kit where it came with the batteries and a pouch to carry everything in. So let's unbox it with it. Let's start off with the light. So now the light comes with the amber filter. Now I'm using the light off the phone right now because I realized that my video has been super dark, so I've been setting up this way. And here is the frosted filter. And here's the LED light. Now the previous model you were able to use batteries if you didn't have a rechargeable battery. And you were able to use regular, I believe, AA batteries to make this work. The new model, the 176, does not come with that option. You have to buy the newer rechargeable batteries. So also the older model was the 160. This has 60 more bulbs, so it's a little brighter. Let me unpack the batteries so you guys see what comes with that. So this is the battery pack. You get two batteries. One, two. You get the battery charger. 3. And you get a micro USB cable to charge all the equipment. So you need to supply your own power brick to charge this, but I got plenty for my phone, so that's not a big deal. Batteries go in just like this. Slide it over. Now this is the battery level. Just to see what the battery level is anytime, just push it quick. It should tell you 99%, we're full. To turn the light on, you hold the button and it starts right up. We're at 50% right now, and by turning this wheel you can make the light brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. Now let me turn this around. See, super bright. And then you can, I believe you can go all the way down to 10% to dim this. Let me make sure. This way. Alright. Alright, we are at 10% now. So this is 10%. And you can dim it up all the way to 100. Make it super bright. Alright, so I have to turn it off. Hold it for 2 seconds. And it turns it off. Alright, that's about it with that light. Now the filter. This grayed out filter is supposed to make it look more like daylight. Give it more like a daylight effect. And then we got this amber. If I can get out of the bag. There you go. There we go. This is the amber. Make it more like a warmer color. Alright. Alright. So here's we got the charger, battery, the two here's the instructions. Let's go to the case. Now the case. Oh, I forgot something. The light also comes with a swivel mount. There we go. That's for the mount, so underneath it has a regular adapter. Screw it in. And then you can mount it to any tripod. It's tight. There we go. And then you can make it swivel up and down, depending on what your needs are. You tighten it here and be all good. Let's undo this. Now the case. Here's the case. All right, let's take the inserts out. Comes with inserts. One for the light. Another one for the adapter. And there's looks maybe for the charger or for the batteries. What else we got here? Alright, so this stuff for the, this looks like it's for the batteries here. That's where this fits in, and maybe not for the charger. Not sure. Not sure what this one is. I'll probably put like a mic in here or something. I'll put the charger on top of the net with the filters. Like that. Yeah. Put the micro USB cable in there too. Alright. So this is the Neewer 176 light. Can't beat it for the price. This whole package was $49. The light itself you can get for $25.99, I believe. I'm going to put the links down below. So if you're interested, they sell on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment below. And I talk to you soon. Have a good day.